Hello, everybody. It's Adam,
And Petri.
and it is cold today. So, we are going to do a lesson on something called the word under.
Under, 'cause it's cold. So if you see me, I have a blanket.
And I have a blanket. I almost look like a Jedi here.
What's a Jedi?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's from Star Wars. But anyway, we're going to focus on the word under today because we need to know what that is.
Okay, I want you guys to know you can practice at home.
Okay. Petri is going to be under
The sheet. Who are you? Who am I? What are we all doing here?
We're just pretending, Petri. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. You can always come out from being under the sheet.
Oh, okay. It got so dark in there, but it was warm.
Do you want to do it again?
Uh-huh.
Okay, here we go. Petri is going to go under the blanket.
Oh, I'm warm, but I can't see a thing.
Kind of happens when you're under there. And I have a blanket here too because I am cold. It is only like 30 degrees outside and I am a little cold. So yes, we are right now, we are under the blankets and it'll help us be warm.
Uh-huh. Where is everyone?
Oh yeah, here you go. Now you can help Steven.
Ah, there I am. Hi. You can even see my wing right there.
Yep, I see you. So it's a pretty easy lesson today on the word under. That's what we do when you're under something. So we are out and then we are under. Pretty simple. You can do it to stay warm too.
Okay, bye everybody. Stay warm.
And stay healthy.